Again, good practice after you've used a filter, make sure you go back and select all. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add another sheet. So add a new sheet at the bottom left, add sheet. I've had more than one, so I have another name, so that's okay. All right, so on new sheet 3, at the top, type birth month and press enter. Birth month and press enter. Then you're going to go back to A1, select A1 and B1, and what I want you to do is I want you to merge A1 and B1 into one cell. While it's selected, go ahead and hit the center button. Great. So now we're going to type out the months. Make sure you capitalize Jan and spell out January. We'll just type Jan for January and capital FEB for February. Once you've got those typed, come back to the video. Select Jan and Feb. Make sure they're both selected. Bottom right, there's a blue square. Grab that square and drag it down. It's copying the formula. It's copying the pattern. So just grab and drag it down till you have January through December. You didn't even have to type them. Great. Let's go back to sheet 1 and let's look at our data. So on your data, you have choices. We're going to go to the month. Month is in column C. We're going to click the down arrow for the filter. And we're going to select just the one for April. Okay. So now I can see, by the way, they're in alphabetical order, not sequentially. April, how many students were born in April? 14. Back to sheet 3, April, 14. Okay, back to sheet 1. Back to the filter. Now, I'm going to select all and do it a little differently. This time, instead of doing month by month by month, I'm just going to click the sort A to Z. Sorry, hold on, I need to select all. Okay, so again, I hit select all. They're all there, and I sorted it A to Z alphabetically. So instead of having to filter each month, I can just go highlight. August has 9. Back to sheet 3. August has 9. Back to sheet 1. December has 8. Back to sheet 3. December has 8. Go on. Your job is to finish filling out that data table. So pause the video and finish filling out that data table. And when you're done, your data should look something like this. Now let's go back to A1. Remember, A1 is selecting everything. I want you to select A1 through B13. A1 through B13. With A1 through B13 selected, go to Insert, Chart. Now by default, it for some reason wants to give me a line chart. Line charts are annoying. Please do not use a line chart. Let's go with column. Columns look great. This title versus birth month was trying to compare whatever's in A1 to B1. There's nothing in B1. So let's just change this to birth month. Looks good to me. Click on any of the bars. Doesn't matter which bar. Click on any of the bar. You can change the color to any color you like. While they're still selected, go ahead and scroll down a little more over here on the chart editor and go ahead and put the data labels on. Today I want to see the data labels. And last but not least, click once on just your birth month so it's the only one selected. Notice it says format data point. It's only going to select one. Change that to a different color. So just the 1 month that your birth month is, change that to a different color. I'm going to go back to customize. And the only thing left to do is, I'm still on the editor. I'm going to scroll up. I'm going to go to the chart style and just add some sort of a background color. Do I care which color? Nah, just add a little bit of color, maybe spice it up for 3D. So again, we changed every color. We put on the data labels. We changed your birth month. We went to chart style, add a little color, and we made it 3D. At this point, you're finished with this assignment for today. Go ahead and turn it in.